Today we're going to take a look at a universal stud finder, AC live wire, and heat source finder. So right here on the back, it actually tells you exactly what it does. So it can find studs at different depths. It's going to read in millimeters, but it also gives you its ½ inch, inch, and inch and a half. AC live wire up to 2-inch depth, and a heat source detection. Very easy to use. Turn on the power button and you're going to set your depth that you want. So depending on how thick your wood or drywall is on the wall, I'm going to go ahead and set it at 25 millimeters. You just hit the mode button. On the side there's a button you press when it's on the wall, and you just slowly drag, and it will tell you when you're getting close to the stud, and then it will center it. So you can use this nice little point to make your mark where the stud is. So the next thing we're going to look at is hit the button a couple times. It shows a live wire detection. So I know there's an outlet here, but I don't know where the wall or the wires are behind the wall. So I'm gonna move this along the wall, and it kind of shows that that wire is somewhere in here.
What are you doing, Daddy?
And if I was to move it up here, it shows that that wire extends past the outlet, which makes sense because it goes to another receptacle. If you would want to do the heat source detection, you just hit mode again. Comes up with a little thermometer. Has a sensor right here. So that would be more for like AC, pipes, anything hot behind the wall if you think you've got a short in a wire. And it works exactly the same way, which we don't have any of that going on. But say we had a short, if I was to move that across a wire or a pipe that was hot, it would show where that issue might be. So pretty handy little tool. It's got 3 things all in one, and